Good evening, good evening, good evening, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day or night wherever you are in the world today. So, guys, in this video, I want to give you guys a few tips on marketing your Textbot AI business. All right. Now, Textbot AI is an opportunity which allows you to promote Ava, which is a text bot that pretty much does all the selling and telling for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this video a few ways that I like to market TextBot, and also a few ways that you may or may not be familiar with. So first things first, let me log in really quick. Now, there are many ways that you can market your TextBot business. Okay, there are many costly ways. There are many ways that can save yourself money. I want to focus on the ways to market on a budget. All right. One of the things that I like to do with TextBot, first things first, hold on. You want to take your website link, right? This will be your website link here. You can copy it to your clipboard, or you can take the phone number, right? Which would be your phone number here. But for this video, I'm going to take the website, right? I'm going to go to Herculist. Now, Herculist is a great site where you can reach marketers, your fellow marketers who are looking for opportunities to earn extra income. Now, Herculist is free to join, right? You can upgrade, and I highly suggest you do so. You could become a lifetime gold member for $49 one time. Now, the reason why I suggest you upgrade is pretty simple. I'm going to show you why here. So I'm going to go to submit my daily email and my web ad. Now, with the web ad, you're only able to email 1,000 people when you're a free member. But when you upgrade, you're able to email the whole entire database. And as you know, with Herculist, those emails do hit the inbox because I've received several emails from Herculist from different members that are promoting opportunities as well inside of Herculist. That's one way of doing it. You can take the emails from TextBot, the swipes that are in your back office by going to the resources tab, going to the swipe copy. Now, you don't have to do the resource for the swipe copies from TextBot. You can create your own if you want to. That's totally up to you. But a lot of people don't have the time to think out email. So this is probably one of the more easier ways to promote TextBot for some people. You can copy your body of your text, copy it to your clipboard, and I'm waiting for my Herculist to set up. So let me go to continue to add mailers. Now I already have the actual ad itself that is inside the back office. I've already mailed that out on numerous occasions. So I'm just going to show you guys how it looks when you submit it to Herculist. Hopefully it doesn't take too long for me to load. All right, so we're going to go to mailer, resubmit a previous ad. Close this out again. Now, as I said, with Herculist, you can join for free and you're able to email 1,000 members with the submitted ad, right? But again, if you upgrade, you're able to upgrade the whole database, which is usually around 80 something thousand members or around that number. Okay, let me just make sure I have that correct for you guys. Okay, we're gonna close that out. Okay, so this will be the ad that I use for Herculist here. This is the swipe that I set up from the back office, but I added my own domain to it because I don't use the TextBot page right away. I have a capture page which I purchased for a monthly fee, and I let that build my email list in addition to promote TextBot on the back end. Right, so this is my domain, automatedprofits.club, and if you can buy a domain, I highly suggest you do so. Purchase a domain and then create your own capture page, or go to mycapturepage.com and use the capture page there for TextBot as well. So this would be the email here, pretty much the swipe here. All right, and all you're going to do is submit the ad. They already have the test URL there. Your actual URL is there already. Your title is there. So all you have to do is just click on submit ad, and that's it, right? It's going to show you how many members the ad was sent to, and then you're good to go from there. I'm just going to wait for this to load, and then I'll go to my next site. All right, so the ad has already been submitted to 90,000 members. 90,218 members already received the ad. All right, that's from Herculist. That's free to do. You up to 1,000 members for free. Then if you want to email the whole entire database, you have to upgrade. Let's go to 100percenttraffic.com. This is another free site that you can use to email members. With this site, you have to earn credits in order to send out the emails. You earn enough credits, you send out your emails. How do you earn credits? You view the emails of other members. Okay. Now I'm going to show you really quick how that's going to go. So let me go on send emails, and all the links for the sites that I'm talking about will be in the description or the comment section area, so you guys today. I just wanted to cover this really quick. Now, to earn credits, you go here to emails to read, and you click on the available there on the page. So you can click on all of these emails here and earn your credits that way. Now, it is time consuming. I won't tell you a lie, but if you want to email members for free, this is what you have to do. You click on the emails, click on the emails, click on the emails. Now, there is an option to become a premium member. You can do that. You can upgrade and do it that way, and you'll get 1,000 credits, which allows you to email 1,000 people, basically. Okay, this is what I did. If you don't want to upgrade, then you're going to have to click on the emails and build up enough credits to send out your emails to the list. Now, let me go to send an email. Okay, see, so I have enough credits to email the entire active membership of 1,915 people. So I'm going to click on that. And that's because I did become a premium member, guys. So again, if you want to email more people, it's all about upgrading when you can or becoming a member of something when you can. So click on email now. Oh, hold on. Let me go back to that. Let me go to email history. I forgot to copy the email. So you see, and I wanted to show you this as well. So these emails do get clicks. They do get open. Now, again, it's because this is free. There are a lot of people that are using the service. There are a lot of people that are probably seeing Textbot offers as well. So I don't guarantee any sales on anything that I'm showing you guys in this video. But if you're looking for ineffective ways to promote your business, then you can't go wrong with these methods here. So this will be the same email here. By the way, this was sent out on the 15th. 1,000 sent out, 900 view, 900 sent, 36 open, 30 clicks. Okay, so again, this is working. Again, this is not something that I can guarantee sales on because no one can guarantee sales at any online business. But if you want to get eyes on your business, if you want to promote it, this is one of the ways that you can do it. All right. So pretty much this is the email that I use here. Same thing, copy that. Let me close this out. And I can go back, click on that. Paste. Let me copy this here. And then what's going to happen is they're going to check the links to make sure that the links are good, which the links obviously are always good. The links to TextBot or any other opportunity is always good as long as they're approved. And which this should be approved with no problem. Okay, so the link is approved. All right, and then the next step. Okay, let me just click on that. And then email is sent. That's it for that. All right. Now, those are two methods that I use to promote TextBot. Now, one other method I want to show you guys that actually has nothing to do with online. It's pretty much offline. All right. And I'm going to go to prickfounders.com. Now, what I've done with this site, I've actually purchased drop cards that were specifically designed for TextBot. This is a great site that I recently found out about from a friend of mine. She did a YouTube video on this particular company, and I received my drop cards yesterday, and I gotta say, they look amazing. And not yesterday, I'm sorry, I received them on Monday, and I've already started sending them out, putting them in different areas, such as bus stations, anywhere that you can place a drop card. You should definitely order drop cards and use that in your offline marketing as well. Now, let me show you how they actually come out. Go down to Tegas. Okay. Now, for the first 100 drop cards, you get those for free. You just have to pay a $5.99 shipping fee, and this is how they look here. Okay. So your phone number right there to call, and they would have your website there. Now, I can't stress enough the importance of having a domain name branded to you so that way you can promote TextBot instead of using the long URL that's given to you in your back office. All right. With your own branded domain name, it will look more professional having that there. Now, getting back to the drop cards themselves, they'll have your number there, they'll have the message there, and they'll look exactly like a new $100 bill when it's folded. So that way when people open it up, that message will appear because people money, obviously everybody loves money. So if someone was to see this, they would obviously pick it up and take a look at it, right? To make sure that the $100 bill itself is real. Right? Now, some people may call, some people may not call. No one can predict what would happen, but it's all about you being consistent and promoting the opportunity. Now, again, you get 100 of these drop cards for $5.99, and they also have other options. They have other quantities as well, 100, 250, 500, and so forth and so on. Right? So, in closing, guys, because this video has been about 13 and a half minutes, I'm going to wrap this up by saying this. With TextBot, this is a tremendous opportunity and it's very easy to promote. You have your drop card option. You can do it with postcards. You can do it with word of mouth advertising if you want the online route. Of course, you have social media. You have your YouTube videos just like this. You have Facebook. You have Instagram. You have many, many options, guys. But remember one thing. Don't just settle for one option when it comes to promoting your business. All right. A lot of people like to get caught up on Facebook groups and things like that. Posting in Facebook groups all day. Now, if that's something that works for you, that's fine. But for me personally, I like different avenues of promoting my product and service. So I suggest to you guys that you do the same. Now, it doesn't have to be, the most expensive option like paid traffic, because paid traffic can get expensive for those who are on a budget. So you can start off by promoting for free and then working your way up to paid traffic if you want to go that route. But remember, with TextBot, you have a phone number and you have the website. Focus more so on promoting the phone number so you get people to call, and that way Ava can do the work for you by having a conversation with your prospects via SMS, right? If you want to promote the website, you have a Herculist site, you have 100% traffic and sites along those lines where you can email people about the opportunity. All right. So to wrap this video up, guys, just remember being consistent is key to success with TextBot. Making sure that you're getting your opportunity out there in front of the right people on a regular basis is key to your success. All right. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a bit long, but I wanted to make sure I get these, ways and tips out there to you for your TextBot business. Okay. So having said that, hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are in the world, and I will see you on my next video. All right. Take care, guys.